Hi there. Welcome to this lesson review. Based on New Headway 5th edition. Lesson 6 Basic. Past Simple. The spelling of regular verbs. Time expressions.
Past simple. Spelling of regular verbs. The normal rule is to add ed. Work, worked. Start, started. If the verb ends in e, add d. Live, lived. Love, loved. Decide, decided. If the verb has only one syllable and one vowel and one consonant, double the consonant and add ed. Stop, stopped. Plan, planned. Verbs that end in a consonant and y change to ied. Study, studied. Carry, carried. Past simple. The past simple expresses a past action that is finished.
I lived in Rome when I was 6. She started school when she was 5.
The form of the past simple is the same in all persons. Positive. I lived in London in 1985. He lived in London in 1985. They lived in London in 1985. Here are some examples.
She moved to Chicago in 1984. You worked hard. I arrived late for the lesson. They played football all afternoon.
Negative. We use didn't plus infinitive without to in all persons. I didn't live in Madrid. She didn't live in Madrid. You didn't live in Madrid. Here are some examples.
I didn't enjoy school. He didn't study history. They didn't earn much money.
Question. We use did plus subject plus infinitive without to in all persons. When did I go? Where did he go? Where did they go? Here are some examples.
Where did he work? Where did they meet? When did you start your new job? Why did I leave?
Yes, no questions and short answers. Did you like the film?
No, I didn't.
Did she enjoy the party?
Yes, she did.
Here are some examples.
Did you go to school in Rome?
No, I didn't.
Did she go to university?
Yes, she did.
Did they earn much money?
No, they didn't. Irregular verbs. To be is irregular and has two forms in the past. Was and were. Other irregular verbs have only one form in the past. Go, went. Can, could. Here are some more examples.
Buy, bought. Come, came. Do, did. Eat, ate. Give, gave. Leave, left.
Time expressions. We often use these time expressions with the past simple. Last, last night, last month, last week, last year, last Saturday, yesterday, yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening. Here are some examples.
I watched TV yesterday morning. We played computer games last night. I had a holiday last October. They had dinner in a restaurant yesterday evening.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more, subscribe to this channel. See you next time.